So no dog walk is going to be complete without the ball game. And the big question is, who would throw the ball for them? Thank you. Can I have that? I want that, and I want it now. I want that ball. We're finished with it. So let's brave the path. And I hope that the wind noise isn't too bad. So have you noticed everybody on YouTube seems to vlog when the weather's fantastic and the sun's shining and the skies are blue? Well, today I just wanted to show you the exact opposite, which is probably what most of us have to work with all the time, which is where it's wet, it's miserable, and there's a heck of a lot of water around. It's not really about the weather, it's about showing up and watching the dogs have fun. That hopefully will have given you a little experience of a little insight into what it's like to live in a national park and what it's like to experience a fairly typical rainy day. I wouldn't say this is particularly exceptional. There are yellow warnings down in the south of England for rain, but not in this area. It's just what happens when you're nearly 2,000 feet up and you pick up a lot of the rain coming in from the Atlantic.